an advanced sludge thickening system that lets you increase digester capacities, extend sludge aging times, save on transportation costs, for pre-thickening to greatly enhance the performance of further dewatering devices, and increase the performance of drying beds. Introducing the ThickTech Rotary Drum Thickener, a patented sludge thickening system that brings you high volume throughput, superior output solids, greater recovery, and very low chemical costs, all in a simple, compact unit. The ThickTech system is the perfect solution for plants that need to thicken sludge.
We just built this Rough Range Road facility 2 years ago. The reason we did that is because the other plant was over capacity as far as flow was concerned. We had several different sludge processing alternatives in line, and it was taken into consideration, since we already had a belt press over at the other plant, that we would just transport the sludge from this plant over to the other plant. And it's much more efficient to haul thickened sludge versus just hauling waste-activated sludge.
The ThickTech unit was designed to let you increase solids in biological sludge from the typical 1% to as high as 10% solids if desired. It can also be used to thicken chemical sludge from water treatment plants to above 15% solids. Volume reductions of 80 to 90% are common, and capture efficiencies of 98% are easily obtained. What makes the ThickTech unit truly remarkable is that it thickens sludge with a minimum amount of polymer usage, and the results are incredible. The ThickTech unit achieves this by minimizing the amount of shear to the flocculate throughout the thickening process. That means less chemical is needed to accomplish the desired results, saving you money. Let's see how ThickTech does it. Incoming sludge and chemical enter this flocculation tank through a tangential inlet. This sets up a gentle upward swirling of the liquid that allows for mixing and flock development while imparting practically no shear. Mixing paddles are used to gently continue the spiral motion of the liquid. The flocked sludge leaves the tank through a tangential outlet and is delivered to a rotating screening drum via a letdown flume. The drum's unique design moves the sludge through several discrete screening zones. As it does this, the sludge is rolled or kneaded, improving the ability of the sludge to shed water. This delicate handling of the sludge also keeps the flocks from breaking down and solids from re-entering the return water. In a typical configuration, the zones are covered with wire mesh, with finer openings used at the feed end and coarser openings used toward the discharge. This promotes maximum drainage as the sludge thickens. A spray header running the length of the drum keeps the screen clear, and the nozzles are cleaned with the simple turn of a wheel. Hi-Core even includes a spray water booster pump for better results. The drum features rings with adjustable ports separating each zone, which allows operators to fine-tune the detention time. Once set up, the ThickTech unit requires little operator attention. Its simple design has few moving parts, and that means lower maintenance.
Rather than hauling 5 to 8 loads per day waste activated, is to get the ThickTech and do 2 loads per day. And it was just much more cost feasible, less transportation costs. It gives the employee much more time to go out and perform other duties when the machine is running. The throughput costs were so much lower on the drum thickener, and naturally you don't want to retreat sludge, and a whole lot of drum thickeners or any other kind of thickeners really have a bad recovery. So we don't really want to treat sludge over again. This unit has such a great capture rate that it's just amazingly clear water that comes out of the unit. It made a huge impact on the cost of the facility, and it gave us the opportunity to delay a phase 2 construction, which saved the commission a whole lot of money.
The ThickTech Rotary Drum Sludge Thickener, a simple, compact, and reliable system that gives you superior results and reduces your costs. Another innovative solution to your real-world problem.